This is Yilo State Junior High School, and it's in Yilo Krobo, right? And Eastern Region, Yilo Krobo constituency, Somalia, right? This death trap is in Yilo Krobo, right? Now, this school is not abandoned, right? This school is not deserted. There are actually students learning in this classroom, right? If you don't believe me, let me show you. Come with me. Let me show you. You see what you see? This is what I was telling you. There are students learning, right, in this death trap, right? The roof is caving in and the roofing sheets are coming off, right? And then the students are being asked to sit in this death trap to learn. You have to be a very wicked leader, right? You have to be a very wicked leader to ask your people, you have to ask children to sit in this classroom to learn. But that is what we have in Yilo, right? The Yilo assembly, right, is asking kids to sit in this classroom to learn. Look at the roof. The roof is coming off, right? And you see, I'm really surprised that students are still sitting in this classroom to learn. It has become a death trap, right? Just look at it. The sun is coming through the roof, right? If it rains, the students have to run away, right? And the leaders, the assembly is asking students to do this, to use this classroom, this death trap. This is not acceptable. You have to be very wicked to ask students to learn in this type of classroom. Who does this? Right? Who does this? Now, we have an MP. Because the assembly and the MC is doing nothing, he's also keeping quiet. We have an MP who is also keeping quiet. Yilo Krobo, the MP. The MC is Kupalo. And then the MP is Nyakote, Abet Nyakote. He's also keeping quiet. Oh my God. I am really upset. So I'm sorry if I'm screaming. It is not acceptable. Right? My God. You see, what is happening in Yilo and Kroboland is not funny anymore. Right? We are not going to keep quiet anymore. Right? You need to sort this building out. You need to sort it out. Moya hene ahane wa bimi bangani kasenge. Moya skuchu. Moya skuchu ne zingle mechonga lwe. Zingle mechonga lwe ne wa hene ahane wa bimi bangani kasenge. Right? Moya juku no menanga ni kasenge chunom. Ne roof no mani mo no sin. Right? Roof no mani mo no ano. Minister ne jino. Ne zingle chovenga jebosio. Ne pale hane juku mba singe yam no. Nyandalo chono chene ne mahane e bimi ba singe yoken. Nyandalo, right? To the channel, the mahane bim by sing, okay, right? A deck kai. Mr. Loco in a page, Where Sukuchu, nothing lichoving a layo, the Palihon that you come by singing. At a page, Yilo Assembly, near Dras Sukuchu, no. Yilo MP, Penokongai, Tumunyu Kongai. Minimunyu Bojino, in you, a befel. E be fe o kai bu yetum